Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do medical bills in K2. K2 offers a powerful, automated approach to managing your healthcare billing. This system is designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing infrastructure, creating a unified and efficient process. By automating many steps, K2 helps reduce the heavy administrative burden and significantly minimizes the potential for human errors, ensuring a smoother operation from start to finish. K2 excels at automating both initial claim submissions and the critical process of resubmitting denied claims. Traditionally, resubmission rates can be quite low, but K2's automated system can help organizations resubmit nearly every denied claim. This focused approach dramatically increases the collection of outstanding receivables, boosting your financial health by a significant margin. K2's technology minimizes manual handling of documents, which is a common source of errors in billing. By automating information and image gathering, it helps ensure that claims are submitted with 100% accuracy. This not only reduces the time spent on administrative tasks, but also significantly improves the speed of collections and the overall percentage of successful payments. Implementing K2 can lead to substantial financial benefits, allowing healthcare organizations to capitalize on a much larger portion of their receivables. It also optimizes staffing by reducing the need for extensive manual management of payer interactions. Furthermore, K2 is designed to help maintain full compliance with complex and ever-changing regulatory and billing standards, safeguarding your practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.